Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change screen recording frame rate in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Next, we need to scroll down to screen recording and scroll down again to the picture portion of this menu. And at the top we have definition. We can change resolutions here, and here we have our frame rate. So we have three presets. We have dynamic up to 120, we have 60, and we have 30. So we can pretty much pick whatever we want from here. I will leave it at dynamic as it was by default. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.